is the time of the cherub. For we are here to prepare a way. For we seek a place that the Messiah may enter. The time that he shall be known to you grows close.
And we should say unto thee these words, Hark, that thou may listen, that the deep may hear, and that those without sight may see. New words shall be written upon the sky, but they must be written in men's hearts rest.
The words you hear, though spoken through the voice of a man in trance, are not those of a man, but of spiritual messengers of God speaking to you. The voice of the messengers is slow, because it is spoken from a depth that fills the heavens, yet it is for all of earth, for you, for this time. For this is the most beautiful Christmas message of love that could be given to you. They come as they have before for one purpose, to prepare the way for the coming of the Messiah, and to ask you to prepare a way within yourself. For they come not to one faith or religion, but to all the world.